Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.2, question number 5. Find the altitude of a parallelepiped determined by the vectors A is given minus 2i plus 5j plus 3k, and B is given as I plus 3j minus 2k, and C is given as minus 3a plus j plus 4k. If the base is taken as the parallelepiped determined by vector B and vector C. That means the base is determined by using vector B and C. Here, let vector A, let vector A is the first given 2i plus 5j plus 3k. Vector B equal I plus 3j minus 2k, and vector C equal minus 3i plus j 4k. Now, volume of parallelepiped, we know that volume of parallelepiped of vectors of A, B and C is vector A dot B cross C. We will find the volume first, which is equal, A is minus 2, 5, 3, and B is 1, 3, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 2, and C is minus 3, 1, 4, minus 3, 1, 4 equal minus 2, 3 4s are 12, minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, so it becomes plus 2, minus 5, 1 into 4 is 4, minus 3 minus 2 is plus 6, that minus is already minus 6, and plus 3 is here, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 9 become plus 9, that is minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, that become plus 9 here, which is equal to minus 2 into 14 minus 5 into minus 2 plus 3 into 10 equal minus 28 plus 10 plus 30, which is equal 40 minus 28 is 28 is 12. Here there is volume 12. Now look at this. Here, if the base is taken as the parallelogram determined by B and C, now we have to find vector area of the base of the parallelogram. Vector area of the base of the parallelogram is given as B cross C. So we will find the B cross C now. B cross C is, first I write I, J and K, and after that you have to write for B 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 2, and C is minus 3, 1, 4, minus 3, 1, 4. Let us find the area first. I, here 3 4s are 12, minus, it become plus 1 into 2 is 2, minus j, here 1 into 4 is 4, plus 6, that is minus 6, plus vector k is 1 into 1 is 1, 3 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9, it become plus 9 equal 14i plus 2j is, that is 4 minus 6 is minus 2 into minus 1 is 2j, and plus 10k. Now vector area of the parallelogram. Now area of parallelogram is here this given, so you have to write square root of 14 square plus 2 square plus 10 square, which is equal 196 400 is equal 300, which is equal 3 into 100, that is 10 root 3. Now area of the parallelogram is given. Volume of parallelepiped, volume of is equal base area into altitude is equal, from that volume is already we have 12, therefore we can write altitude volume over base area. Volume is, we have already volume is 12, volume is 12 over base area is 10 root 3. Then we can write 12 as, then first cut by 6 and 5, 6 by 5 root 3, so we have to multiply up and down by root 3, you can get it, 6 by 5 root 3 over root 3 equal, rationalizing, that is root 3 into 3 is 3 into 5 is 15, 6 root 3. Then further cut by 2 3, we get 2 root 3 by 5 units. Now we got altitude is 2 root 3 over 5. Now question number 6. Determine whether the three vectors 2i plus 3j plus k, I minus 2j plus 2k, and 3i plus j plus 3k are coplanar. For coplanar vectors, we have to find the volume of the parallelepiped formed by these vectors must be 0. Here we have to find, let A is 2i plus 3j plus k, vector B I minus 2j plus 2k, and vector C is 3i plus j plus 3k. Now we have to find volume of parallelepiped, that is A dot B cross C is determinant value of 2 3 1. Next is 1 minus 2 2, 1 minus 2 2, and C is 3 1 3. Let us find the value of the determinant. 2 into, here minus 6, 1 into 2 is that minus 2, minus 3, here 1 into 3 and 3 into 2. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, plus 1, here 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1 is 1, minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, it become plus 6, which is equal minus 8 minus 16. Here 3 minus 6 is minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. Here 1 plus 6 is 7. Here which is gives minus 16 plus 9 plus 7 is 0. Here volume of parallel pipe is 0. Therefore the given vectors are coplanar. Therefore given vectors are coplanar. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.